This is how to delete your InfinityFree account. From your dashboard, go to your accounts, then scroll down, click Account Settings, then scroll down and click Deactivate Accounts. Then proceed to deactivate. Then once your account has been deactivated, you can now delete your account and wait until this updating your account will finish. Now our account has been successfully deactivated. We can now proceed to deleting our account. So go to Account Settings, then scroll down and proceed to delete your account. And you need to type this one. So just copy this one to confirm deletion and just delete accounts. And our account will be removed shortly. And let's try to refresh. And your account has been deleted. So you can see here, one account has been deleted. So this is how to delete your InfinityFree account.